Resetting your NoiseShots Rush. If you're having trouble with your NoiseShots Rush, try resetting to the following steps. First, make sure your Shots Rush are fully charged. On your paired smartphone or laptop, remove or delete your Shots Rush from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Remove both earbuds from the charging case. Press and hold the earbuds until the LEDs blink red once, indicating power off. Now press and hold both the earbuds. Initially, the earbuds will blink green once. Continue pressing both earbuds till one of the earbuds blinks red and green. Your Shots Rush have now been reset and are ready to be paired with your smartphone or laptop again. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.